Hi guys, thanks for watching this My Plumber video. What you're going to see is us servicing a local store in Grants Pass, Oregon. Wonder if this is the drain from that basin.
I wonder if it's an overflow.
Yeah.
That shouldn't all come out to this.
No. It shouldn't. But it almost seems as if that's all that's draining because it's not keeping up.
I wonder if that's an overflow to this, but this should be going to the storm.
Right, or it's just janky.
I'll have to take some pictures of that down in there.
So as you can see, we got a loading bay that's flooded out. Pumping it down, gonna try and get service to this store in Grants Pass. Pumping out, this drain's not even taking water correctly. Hard part about working for these places is you gotta send in authorizations and wait to get approval, so it can take some time to get the job done. Pumping. So as you can see, it is taking some time to pump. Probably got another 2 hours left or so, maybe more. But anyway, I'm gonna go get some coffee. No reason to sit here and watch. We are finally pumped down, so now I can begin work. Hopefully the pump's still good, but we'll find out. Alright, so under here we have a sump pump. I had to adjust the float, that's all that was wrong. Now when that water you see is the airport. So it's working. The float just was having issues, so I had to adjust it. So that'll take care of this problem for now. But they really need to get this cleaned up. Don't forget, My Plumber. Check us out on Facebook, facebook.com/Oregon Plumbing, or www.myplumberoregon.com, or give us a call, 541-601-0000. Thanks, have a good day.